This is an overview of the Pull Through Cleaning Brush range of products. It will show how they work and the benefits of using them. The Pull Through will remove more soil than other brushes. This has been scientifically proven. Independent studies show a bristle brush can remove 29 to 90% of the soil from a channel and 3 passes. The Pull Through Cleaning Brush will remove no less than 96% of the soil from a channel in a single pass every time. While the Pull Through Cleaning Brush performs significantly better than other devices, it is always best practice to brush until there is no evidence of soil and the channel is clean. The Pull Through gives a more thorough clean when the endoscope is submerged in detergent. Each of the wipers create a complete 360-degree seal as they engage and move along the channel walls. This creates a flush of detergent that is pushed ahead of and drawn along behind the Pull Through Cleaning Brush head. The motion of the detergent flushing through the channel more effectively removes soil from scratches and imperfections in the channel. These features reduce the time required to manually clean the channel, ensures a more consistent brushing method, and improves the overall efficiency of the cleaning process. The Pull Through Cleaning Brush size range covers channel diameters from 1 mm to 5 mm and 6 mm to 8 mm. They are available in an easy-to-use refillable cassette dispenser and bulk refill packs to reduce packaging. They also come in convenient single-patient use packs.